Welcome to Closed Caption Creator. At Closed Caption Creator, we support a number of different video formats. For example, our player supports H.264, WebM, AV1, and HEVC. We also support a number of different playback providers, including YouTube, Vimeo, cloud storage, HLS streams, and Proxy RT. In this video, we'll learn more about Proxy RT. The Proxy real-time engine will generate a proxy stream in real time. This is all done client-side, with no upload required. Because of this requirement, Proxy RT is only available when using the desktop version of Closed Caption Creator. Proxy RT allows users to import high-res video that may not be supported natively by the application's video player. For example, you may be a broadcaster working with MXF files, or an editor who needs to import ProRes or DNx HD files. This is all possible with Proxy RT. First, let's start off by logging into Closed Caption Creator. Click on New Project, then select Media Source. The different sources or playback engines will show including local storage, YouTube, Vimeo, cloud storage, HLS Manifest, and Proxy RT. For today's tutorial, we are going to select Proxy RT. Lastly, select any local media file on your system. The video will be converted to a stream and loaded into the video player automatically. You will notice it may take a few moments for the entire video to load. However, you can start working right away. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tips and tutorials about Closed Caption Creator. For more information, you can also visit our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com.